All right, we're going to be dancing between the raindrops today. Today's mission is going, this year will be my first year of hunting, period, but it's going to be my first year, well, for everything. But I'm trying to get ready for pheasant. I got my Remington 870 pump shotgun. All right, it is raining now, but I'm going to show you right now. I have these two boxes of Remington I'm shooting with. One is number 8 shell, and this one's going to be a number 6. As soon as I get here, I think I gotta go grab my cameras. Well, I'm back out here again. Yesterday I got rained on, so today's mission is, well, one for fun, and the other is going to be for knowledge. Brought my shotgun out here. I want to go pheasant hunting in October, which is only a month away. And I got 2 targets. I'm going to pattern. I'm going to put the 8 shot on this one, and I'm going to put the 6 shot on this one, which is designed just for pheasant. And I'm going to try it at 25 yards first, and then I'm going to move closer to 15 yards. So this is my Remington 870 shotgun. I just added a red dot to it, which I like a lot. But it's classic. I like it. Walnut furniture. Just simple as it gets. 26. All right, 24.9. That's close enough. Going for the number 6 first. On the left-hand side. All right, now we're going to go for the number. Now we're going to go for the number 8 on the right-hand side. This time at 15 yards. So right from this corner is 15 yards to the target. We're going to start with the number 6 first on the left-hand side. Now the number 8's on the right-hand side. All right. I'll tell you what, I have a semi-automatic shotgun that I bought, it's a Mossberg 930. I did some upgrades to it, and I really like it. But I don't know, man, something about this Remington 870 that I really, really like. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's simplistic. I mean, I guess I like the black stock. I like the black, not stock, the black frame with the walnuts furniture. All right, I just put 4 in there. Let's see if it'll take 5. I haven't shot this gun in a while. Yeah, it does not take 5. So no problem. Now it'll take 5. I'm just gonna let all 5 rip. That's it. Now let's go see. Yep, still shooting high. gonna have to adjust my, I was aiming right here. I'm gonna have to adjust my, well, it's consistent. Definitely consistent. It's just consistently high. So I'll have to drop that red dot down a little bit. So, all right, well, listen, that's why you come out here and do this, right? So you know. I mean, that's pretty much right on that bead now. I aim down here. I guess what I'll do is, I don't know why it's shooting up here. Okay. I aimed for here, and it looks like it was more here. Same thing on this one. I guess I could lead the birds with my, let them be above the barrel when I'm shooting at them. I mean, I don't know what else to do. You guys got any suggestions for me? This is a Swamp Fox red dot with a mounting plate right to the frame. I can't go down any further. I mean, it's basically right on top of that bead. If I go down like this, I can't even see the red dot anymore. So, is it possible that I'm getting like a parallax where I'm looking down but the barrel's pointing up? Is that possible? Maybe I should take the red dot off. Yeah, I mean, I can see that bead. It's blurry, but I can see it. I wonder if I should just take that red dot off. You know what? I'm going to try to shoot one of the steel targets with it. I hit that steel target, no problem. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to now shoot with my pistol for fun. I am going for the targets down there. 15 yards away. I am not saying that I'm great at this, especially with this little tiny gun. But I'm going to try, starting left to right. Missed that one. Missed again. Got it that time. That may be it, I don't know. Nope. That's it. What am I thinking? Of course, the slide rack's back when it's empty. So yeah. It's good to come out and practice 15 yards with a 6-inch and a 4-inch target. You know, staying sharp. If you're going to be a concealed carry permit holder, you know, and you're going to take in and protect your life with this thing, it's good to have practice. It's a Glock 43X. Look at that little baby. Look at that baby. That's just a little baby. Whew. How did I miss that one? Come on. That's 15. I think I missed 2 from 15 yards. It's not terrible.